Okay, I'm back. Sorry about that. I needed to respond to
Okay.
someone. So, like I was saying, our task, our goal is to check if the number of character in our order ID is the same across every single order ID, or there is anyone, and to spot anyone, any other ID where the other ID might be either too long than 14 or lower than 14. That's our task. Now, to do that, which function do you think we will use to count the order ID?
Count.
Eh? No, count not go work. Order ID is a text.
Okay, on ID is a text.
So which function will take counter?
Some.
Nope. All those one are for number now. We won't count the numbers of
Text.
character inside order ID. Inside each of this
Okay.
order ID, like for the first one, we will count am. Okay, now 10 day, now 14 day here. Second one, we will count am 14, 14, 14. Which function we go use?
And we are supposed to use a function to count it.
Yeah, we go use length, the len
Um,
function.
okay, that is length we use, Abi.
Yep. So this
Okay, I was not in
length,
that class. As I know in that class.
no, this one we never do this one. We never do
The
length.
length.
We never do length in context of SQL. We've done it in context of Excel. You
That's
understand?
what I'm saying. Me, I was not in that class of that contest of Excel.
Oh, you did the class. You never do class.
Yes.
You did class. You don't miss
I
any
don't know.
class.
Me, now
You
array
never miss any
function. Now I
class.
meet.
Which function you
If
miss?
I never miss any
You
class,
never miss any
array
class.
function. Now
Not
array
before.
function. Now I did.
Now function. Now when you start with the entire function.
I can't do transpose. Can't do unique.
Okay, you back transpose,
Now
you
I
back
talk only
unique.
array. Maybe I can't late that day.
Yeah, I be like say you can't date.
Maybe I can't late.
You never say you never.
Eh,
I
I
think
can't
now let
late
that
today.
first. No, you never miss any class. Now late you don't come.
But
Anyway,
maybe I late. I late. I don't start. But no worry. I go pick. I go pick up.
when they
So we use
use
length,
this
abi?
function, yeah, we use it in context of uh, our select. So we go put length, then inside length we go pass this other ID where we wan count into our length. We go put am inside the length function
Okay.
like this. Now run it again. This is what you should get. So give yours an alias, call it length order ID length. Just like this. Then once you finish that, then order by this function. Order by this length. This is where you count. So this order ID length where you count. Use am take order your data. Have you run it? There's a mistake. Oh.
Mistake.
Select order ID, then comma,
Okay.
then comma before the length of other ID.
Select that ID then comma.
Yes, because this length of other ID is almost like a new column, a calculated column. What do you do? Okay. Scroll over. Let me see your that your line 4. Let me see your line 4. I know they see the ending of your line 4.
And now I try drag so. Other ID as other ID lengths.
Is it the same spelling? Okay,
Other.
from others. Where your others? Your table. You never specify from others.
But I wrote that just now. How you could come out?
You don't use and do other by.
So I know that it was there before.
Yeah, run am
Okay,
again.
come.
There's still mistake oh. That your line 4 still get mistake.
Eh,
That your line 4 na that the
I'm
mistake dey.
coming. Let me reduce one. I'm coming. Okay, I'm coming.
Okay,
Let me make one.
underscore support dey between other ID and that length. That it will not be treated as different word.
Okay, so we are selecting other ID length. Other ID. The length, the short form of that length is LEN, Abi.
Yes, that's the function name earlier.
Okay. What's this description?
Descending order.
What's this DE? Descending
Descending
order.
order.
Oh,
So it's sorting in descending order. That's from largest to smallest.
okay. Excuse me.
So I think from this, every order ID is 14. If you scroll down, you can see it. I've already done that. So we are good to go here. There is no other ID that is either greater than 14 or less than 14. All of them are 14, 14, 14, which is good. So there's no issue with
Okay.
our order ID.
Okay.
So like this now, if there was an issue, probably you would have deleted that row that had that issue. Because any faulty order ID is going to affect your data. Okay, back to it.
Okay.
Let's do for left and right. Okay,
Okay.
let's for the left, what we are going to do, we are going to extract the country code from the order ID column. So this is what we need to look at first. In our order ID, we have CA dash, then there's a year, then there's some numbers at the end, right?
Yes.
So that CA is the country code. CA means Canada, US means USA, and so on and so forth. So what we want to extract the country code, that is that CA or Canada for each of the rows in the other ID. So which function you say we go use? Because we are extracting the first two characters. Which function do you think we are going to use?
The first two character, that's left.
Good. I won't say sharp before.
I say sharp, not sharp now. Get that.
Sharp, sharp, sharp. Okay. Let's run it. Let's run it. So just copy this. Uh, okay. We are going to use exactly this same stuff. The only thing now we are going to change this length. Instead of doing for the length, now we are going to do the one for the country code. So we now say left, open bracket, order ID. Then from the other ID, we are selecting the first two characters, which is two close brackets. then give it an alias as, call this country code. For this, we are not doing order bar.
Go and watch your cartoon, don't disturb me. Shut the door.
So once you done run this, you should get CA, CA, and so on and so forth for all of these um, other IDs. How do I actually record time for?
That's right. What am I getting wrong? I'm not getting it.
Other ID, that comma, you know like comma. Between your other ID and your left. Is it a
I'm
comma?
not getting it. Oh.
Other ID, comma, before the left. Inside, select other ID, comma,
I'm not supposed to put on that score here.
comma,
No,
comma,
now.
is comma, comma, is comma, comma,
Come out here.
after your other, comma there, space,
Okay,
okay.
then this one is also giving me
Other,
some
left bracket, other, comma, other ID, comma 2. And you know like comma.
other ID come out too.
Yes.
Okay.
You don't see like comma for that first one too. It's rocking now.
See, not like come out for that first. Okay, so now okay. You want to take a nap? Oh, yeah, take a nap. Don't disturb me. I'm taking a nap by this one already. Okay, I've run it.
Okay.
Go and watch your cartoon now. Must we take nap now? Sleep.
Okay, so we've done that. So we'll do for left join, and I'll go back to the explanation. So for left,
Okay.
we are going to extract,
For left or right?
sorry, right, extract the
Okay.
ID number
Please go.
from the other ID. If you look at the other ID, it's made up of three parts. You have the country code, the year, and the ID number. So our task is to extract the ID number. So how many characters is the ID number? It's 6, Abi. One,
ID
two,
number.
three, four, five, six. 6.
Mm, okay.
6, Abi. Count your ID number.
Yes, please. Yes, it's 6.
So you can copy the function you did. The only thing I'm changing now is the type of function, which is right now. Now it's going to be right. Then for your numbers of characters you're selecting from the end is going to be 6. Then you call this id id underscore number sharp.
You would press the letter A.
Are you done?
Yes.
Okay. Let's go to the next. Okay, the next one is the we are going to talk about 3 functions, the remaining 3 here. Character index, substring, and concatenate or concat for short. So the character index, what it does, it returns the starting position of a substring within a string. I think this is a bit confusing to wrap your head around, so I'm going to use Excel to explain that. Okay, so let's assume this is what we have. We have a text. This is the text. Let me use capital imagination, right?
Okay.
This is the text, right? Now, if I okay, I want to, for instance, you can make this red. Okay. For instance, I want to know where this nation, inside imagination, I want to know which character and nation start from, right? Which character and nation start from within this full word. This is a string, right? Imagination is a string. Inside imagination, this nation is a substring. As the name implies,
Okay.
sub means small, inside something. So if I want to know where nation starts inside imagination, I will use the character index. I will say character index, right? Then this text, let me copy it here. Control C, sorry. Okay. Then I'll say inside character, I want you to look for nation. Look for the word nation inside imagination and return to me where that word will start. Let me confirm something. Okay. So more space. Okay. Let me minimize this one while I have more space. So this is the word I have originally, and using character, I'll say look for first the location where this nation starts inside imagination. That will be, now you will count. You are going to count, right? Say nation. This is nation. Nation starts from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So if I use character in there, say nation inside imagination, I will get, the result will be 6. So in essence, character index is used to search the location where a particular substring starts within a string. Did you get it? Are you pressing? Because I think you are pressing something. Let me check.
Mm, no, no, no.
Okay. So did you get it? Because you were not saying
Yeah,
anything.
saying and that now. You don't let me forget now. This means how to gain it. Said it now. I forgot. How to get the sub index from Kinikon. You said it now. I was trying to remember.
Substring.
What did you say again?
Battery is low. Ah, this thing is going down faster. There's no lights. She's okay. What I talk, you say?
Your lap. Uh-huh.
Yes, my laptop is off. So what I said is character index, right? What it does is it helps you to locate where a substring starts within a string. So the example I gave was this imagination. Inside imagination, inside imagination, nation, if you want to know where nation starts at imagination, right, you can use a character index. Now within imagination, if you count, you say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nation start from the word nation, nation, starts from 6. You count it. You can count it on your own too, just to confirm. It starts from 6. So character index gives you that starting location of this substring nation, and this is how you write it: character index open bracket nation inside comma imagination.
You say it starts from 6.
Count them now. I is 1, M is 2, A is 3, G is 4, I is 5, N again. This N now that starts nation is what? 6.
Oh, okay.
So now what the character
Okay.
index will do? It will tell you where a particular substring starts inside your whole string.
Oh, okay.
So we use character index. We use it. Let's say we use it now. We use it now. But before we use it, let me talk about that concept. Let me just run through this for my laptop. Okay. The next is substring. Substring. Substring returns a specified part of a string. So let me quickly use this the same thing to explain substring. So what is substring they do be say, let's assume this is our string, right? This imagination is our string. Now if I want to return only this Gina, this Gina inside here, this word here, within
Okay.
imagination. Now what I want to return, right? The way I can do it is using a substring. Okay, so this is how we do it. First, I will say, yes, hold on. I will say substring, sub, use the function substring. Then I will say inside this word imagination. Let's put imagination here. Let me see if I can reference. Nope, it's not going to work. It's fine. Let me just copy it. Inside the word imagination, where does Gina start? Are you with me? I can't hear you again.
Yes, I am.
Okay.
No,
So inside
I just muted. Yes.
okay. Inside imagination, the Gina, which character it is starts? This Gina. The G, the G now
One,
which
two, three, four.
four abi. So inside imagination start
Yes,
from four. How many character be the G now?
four.
Okay. Then count four characters and return that uh, word for me. So if I do this, it will go inside G now. It will count one, two, three, four. Start from here. They count one, two, three, four. Then my result will now be GIN, GINA. So substring gives you a subsection, cuts a subsection of your strings and give that to you. That's what substring does. So we'll do an example of the three. Then the last is concats. Concat is used to join two or more texts or string together to become one. You remember concat for Excel, Abi?
You said what?
You remember concat for Excel?
Concat. No,
Concatenation.
concatenation. No, concat.
Anyway,
What's that for?
it's used to combine two texts together into one. Two or more texts, not
Almost
just two, two or more texts together to one. It's the
into
same thing it's
one.
still doing here. So
Oh, okay.
we are just going to use the three things we just learned just now with an actual
Okay,
example.
concatenation to join two cells together.
Yep. You
Two
seen it in
cells
your notes.
information.
You see it for your notes.
Yep.
Uh-huh.
Yes.
Okay, so what we are going to do is okay. Let's see, one, two, three, four, five. Okay. So extract the year from the table. From the other's ID. So what you want to extract now? I want to extract this year. What you want to extract now?
What's the difference between join and concat?
Join.
Mm.
Join the joint table together. Full table.
Okay, join is table. Concat is cell.
Concat na text. As
Text.
the
Okay,
text
that's
in
true.
different columns. Just join am pam pam pam. You go see am very soon. So concat is not table dependent. It's more row column dependent. Because now the text inside the rows na im dey join.
Oh.
Totally different letter.
Okay, so let's quickly do that. So now we need to, for this, we need to be a bit strategic. We are going to use the character index and the substring in this example. We use the two at once. We are going to be a little bit strategic. So select order ID. Now, okay, we will use the two together, but you can do it without that. So we use character index to look for what? I dey ask question now.
So
What will this character index dey do? What I explained just now.
is that what?
We use character index to do what? Because we are going to use character index
That's
for this
because
example.
inside we're spinning wheels.
To get the sub
So
now.
each row
Abi,
scrambled the signal
sub
left and
cells.
right, and every time you pressed a key, the rotors turned, changing the code again. By the time the
Nope.
message was done,
Is it not
that
to get
stop
where the
signal
sub
was
string
over,
starts?
but the machine
Okay, yeah, that's it, that's true. So we want to know where, for this example, what you want to do? This 201, right? I think every year has 201, all of them, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, all of them has it. Every year
Okay.
has 201. So I want to know where 201 starts. You understand?
Okay.
So where it starts, I'll say count 4 characters. That will be my year. So if 201 starts from 1, 2, 3, 4, and I count 4 characters, that will be 2016 for this example, and so on and so forth for each of these example. So let's do this. So it says subquery. Subquery. Sorry, why did I say subquery? Substring. Substring. Now I want to get a substring from the order ID, comma. Now, which I define at the year abi? Where year starts? Have
One,
you
two, three, 4.
4? What I go do? I want it to be automatic, right? So that's why I'm going to use my character index. So instead of just counting where year starts, I will use character index to calculate that for me. Character index. So anywhere where you see this number, I think that should be 201. Anywhere you see this number, inside order, okay, sorry, 201, comma, order ID. Okay, this should be it. Then count 4 characters from order ID orders. Return this as yeah.
Could never turn a letter into itself, so an A could never become an A. Code breakers used this flaw to figure out common words used in the messages. Then they built giant machines to test thousands of possible solutions at a time. And this allowed them to crack the code and read Germany's secrets while the code went through. Press the letter A on the keyboard.
Are you done?